Number 1. Be gentle. Treat your hair with care, especially when it's wet, as wet hair is more susceptible to breakage. Avoid pulling or tugging on your hair, and use a wide-tooth comb to detangle gently. Number 2. Use a silk or satin pillowcase. Cotton pillowcases can cause friction, leading to hair breakage. Switch to a silk or satin pillowcase to reduce friction and protect your hair while you sleep. Number 3. Trim regularly. Regular trims, every 6 to 8 weeks, help remove split ends, preventing them from traveling up the hair shaft and causing further breakage. Number 4. Deep condition. Use a deep conditioning treatment at least once a week to nourish and moisturize your hair, making it more resistant to breakage. Number 5. Avoid tight hairstyles. Avoid hairstyles that put excessive tension on the hair, such as tight ponytails, braids, or buns. These styles can lead to breakage, especially around the hairline. Number 6. Eat a balanced diet. Proper nutrition is essential for healthy hair. Include foods rich in protein, vitamins, especially biotin and vitamin E, and minerals, like iron and zinc, in your diet. Number 7. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair and scalp hydrated. Number 8. Avoid overwashing. Washing your hair too frequently can strip it of natural oils, leading to dryness and breakage. Aim to wash your hair every 2 to 3 days, or as needed based on your hair type. Thanks for joining us.